Hi everybody, it's Carrie from KDS Insurance Services. I am coming to you on Wednesday. It's hump day. We're halfway through the week and I hope the week so far has been a really good week for you. I am updating my normal videos for the week. I try to do 2 a week. The last week's been a challenge, as you know, with my surgery recovery. But I wanted to come in today and talk to you about some renter's insurance. Renter's insurance is what you buy when you rent a dwelling. So you're renting a house, an apartment, a mobile home, an RV, pretty much any dwelling where you don't own it and you are residing in it for your permanent residence, and you are renting the structure. So we are not insuring the structure, but we are insuring everything in the structure. So if you tipped it upside down and everything fell out, that's what we're insuring with renter's insurance. And it has all the same, relatively speaking, discounts that a home policy would have. With the biggest exception, of course, is that you are not an owner of the property, you're renting the property. And we're insuring the items, your personal property, your shoes, your socks, your furniture, your equipment, your televisions, your dishes, your pots and pans, everything that is in a dwelling that if you tipped it upside down, including the garage items except the car and big pieces of equipment, that is what we are insuring, your personal property. And one of the biggest things that you want to make sure is that you are insuring that property for replacement cost. If you remember, the difference between replacement cost and actual cash value is they depreciate the value of your property. You don't want that. You want to be able to go to a store, and buy something new. You don't want to have to go to a garage or a discount store. That is literally the difference. So buying it at a department store brand new, or going to some sort of discount outlet where the pricing is discounted for you or depreciated. That is the big difference, and it is an important aspect of renter's insurance that you want to make sure that you have. So, renter's insurance covers all of the basic coverages: theft, fire, vandalism, hail damage, water damage, hurricanes, wind damage, all of the standard perils that a homeowner's policy covers, with, of course, the exception of covering the actual building. You also have a deductible. Normally on renter's insurance, it starts at $500. That's generally the minimum. I don't know of any carrier that will allow you to go lower than that. And you can take that really as high as you want per the carrier, and you could also take your coverage amount as high as needed, obviously within the carrier guidelines. So this is renter's insurance, and it covers your personal belongings. It has liability insurance on it, so if something happens at your residence, you have liability insurance. It has medical pay on it, so if somebody's injured that's a guest that's at your home, you have those coverages too. The standard endorsements that we talked about: water damage endorsement, glass endorsement, replacement cost. There are, depending on the carrier, other options that are available to you. There's the same sort of discount levels available to alarm systems is a big one that you want to check into, whether it be local or a monitored alarm. So renter's insurance is designed to protect your personal property when you are living in a residence and you don't actually own that residence. So for example, if you go to an apartment complex and they ask for proof of insurance, same thing, just like a home, your agent would be able to provide for you an evidence of insurance or a certificate of insurance that proves that you have renter's insurance. You can also get it for kids who are away at school, who are going to college, kids who don't live in your household but live somewhere else. So it is personal belongings that we are insuring. Standard rule of thumb is go to each room that we've talked about previously and assign each room a value based upon the type of belongings that you've purchased. For example, setting a $10,000 limit per room, so you would have your bedrooms, your bathrooms, your kitchen, your living room, patio furniture, garage equipment, those type of things that are not associated with a car, or bigger type items like ATVs or tractors. Those all need to be insured differently. They're not included on a renter's insurance policy. You can get renter's insurance for mobile homes. You can get them in condos. You can get them in just about any type of dwelling, of course, based upon the individual carrier's guidelines and requirements. Generally speaking, a renter's policy is going to run you, depending on the amount of coverage that you need, anywhere from $150 up. And most carriers do offer you some sort of payment plan. So that's kind of it for renter's insurance. One other thing I want to talk about is you can, on most renter's insurance policies, you can schedule specific things like you could on a home. For example, jewelry and firearms and photo equipment, golf equipment, sporting equipment, specialty collections that you have, for example, like trains and those sorts of things. So if you have those, ask your agent about it. Just because you're in a renter's policy doesn't necessarily mean that you cannot insure those things on a schedule. So that's it for renter's insurance. It's a quick video today. I hope that these videos are helpful to you. Please take the time to give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and leave me some comments. I do want to hear from you. So if you have a specific area of insurance that you need help on, please contact me. I am happy to do a specialty video for you. These videos are designed for your educational purposes. As I've mentioned before, I'm not endorsing any carriers. I'm not confirming any of your coverages. I'm not endorsing those things too. So make sure that you're working with somebody that knows your needs, knows what you need, that's a trained licensed agent that can give you direction. Even with the renter's policy, it's still a very important policy that's designed to protect your assets. So just because you're not a homeowner, don't think that it's not an important piece of the financial puzzle, because it is. So that's it for today. I hope you have found this video helpful. Again, please leave me a comment, give me a thumbs up, and subscribe. That really helps me. And again, these are educational videos only. They're designed for you. They're designed to help you as a consumer become more informed, so you can ask the right questions and know that you've got the right coverages to protect your assets that you are working so hard for. So I'm not sure if we'll have another video this week. As I've said, I'm recovering from pretty major foot surgery, so we will see how the rest of the week goes. But it's hump day. I hope you have a great rest of the week. I hope you're productive and keep positive. Let's move forward in positive directions. That's what we need. Negativity doesn't get us anywhere but in a negative situation. So keep moving forward, one day at a time, 1 month at a time, 1 year at a time, and let's all be successful in the endeavors that we do. God bless, and I hope you have a great rest of the day.